Sina, certainly, we don't have any idea. I didn't also do for it. I was a rather open and one doing young Conda Sukurai. Omobro Hunti, Yakodania soy. Omobro now see a subinti a year course on the media. Yefu. And you did not so young way. The time of the other was said. Yes, I was said, send me a who caught near the atom from baby. And there was a son, domino to time, yes, I can be near Cassie. But when young men come for near the mount, going. Baby, I want a bomb boy, sir. Yeah, I can say. Tell me a Cassie, but I do. The Motaya, I want to tell Cassie Muno, the snow, the enemy and Cassie and you. The young father said, whom I acquire and trust, nearly didn't know me and not. Niang war ni yani 9.9 Niang the rain son bi ye wu ani akọ wo de krofo bi dia ye hwe so dia mai so yam fa hwe ya me atrase yam fa hwe fa hwe nyansa the strong hu yam bo ni yam kwa no hu krom da tso atrase no ma wo ta ya wo ma enti atrase no me ni nyu se be dan ya ba wu Yesu nchan ni sababre be din tetemu be din fifre Bebe ba ya kinyina no sa ewade ahemfo ba te won kwade sebe dade ba won chen no wajan o ma dia bosom sam ministers for any aban pan for ba ten kwade sam no ma dane ba won chen wo bu dima di o ma summons bebe be ya kwa ya fa han nyina mu no e ma o bu wi mfi o bu ho ta o bu pu Yesu a o me kobu nsam dim the somebody that will buy a book or be our Mutimum and then a country as a home of Trianca. The show a man something could talk about times of qua. I didn't pass as a pump, no swabber, and then it told me I've been sacred. They all say what they won't know what I say. They all came from a yacht. What is our Martin? So we are. They already said 1 year better as a real. The over could be bloody young. No, she said yes, which are quite. She saw clearly the old woman running yes, no. What some see a Bible can't tell us. Walk up on something. Channel, what she said, Yamabon some. To the only one, somebody I give piano, who piano to me. I am not a young Safo Rabbi. You're Sabrina. That's in your papa. You will have a intimate transcendent. But I was so clear. Odoba Yesu dimunti amen be ko enyom numeri Numbers chapter 33 numeri Mose ngoma 9.9 Toso FM anai ufiri wana ko Deuteronomy chapter 33. And some of them may be too far of Cassie. Now, my main Kaya Bako sending chum. Obibia would name Babo Kakrebi Aro, would I would name him Pa, Kakrebi would keep. Israel for when you go can Genesis 15. So Abraham was a phone. Obaya Koya Hoho, and what an affair assassin. The influence and actually no. We don't come so be sorry. About the Israel for me. I call my boss assassin. Gee, me family who no money. Na media be watching soon. Abane. San semo ya ho kan nyina no be gina ho ma. Ya so ni. Enti na wo sa Israel for koyen kwa. Ene mfra. E wona na force assassin. That is Egypt and Misrim. In fact, what would transfer her? There's in favors of 430 years. And some of them are fine, and they're free. Some Misrim assassination. Now, I'm going to take Canaan. Kena sasino. Na eno ebi omo boshe asase a. Onyankopon asese dia ma omo so bon kofa. Ti asemi yi. Enti tamwa. Na faro e sha omo so Misrim no. Yakopon nam kwa hudo bebre so ya nsankire ni bebre. No de yen hweso de ama yen kire mai. So de ba ya Israel fo be nya fa hudie. Afiri o ma tamfo. Ka ben bun samni bayifo ni nsam. Nti wo ye poma akwanche. Antimi anyi Israel fo. Ya sami yo. Wo ya su kwakse akwanche. Antimi anyi Israel fo. 99.9. Wo ye meba akwanche. Antimi anyi Israel fo. Enkira de so bai. Anyi Israel fo. Yaka Exodus chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3. When the first chapter 3, wow, Brabesi chapter 12. Maybe they are not the chapters anymore. One Kazakin Kai. Sabri in the chapters, you do now. Then you go for also. I take Israel for, yeah, or we in the mind. I call my boss as assassin. Then I'm saying assassin is what the hope. That was in fear and I had 9 years 20. Now, I talk for me, I find assassin to so. Ebine Amalek for, Kena for, Syria for, countries be, Jebusi for, the Heti for, and the Gigasi for. Now, council be a fat, Kena Sassino, and to so. Did I say Israel for no call? No could two side come full flash Sassino. Under the leadership of Joshua, no more for Massas, who possess of land. I have a lump from the Trawadi. Tinyankopon efa kwa hodo so di sentranya hodo so ayeso be yi Israel fo afri Misrim no mako Kena wo mo poshe asase no so ti faro no won pele so be makwan na honfin no am pele se sisa no papa no maame no e be kwa kofa ne boshe asase ya yasumdue wa wareyam asumdue e wa adwumam asumdue e wa asetrem asumdue wo nipaduam Satan picture the soul. Ambassador Benjamin Fahudie. No Timako Father Sassi, the Japadea, with Yankopon are prepared there to Wamano. To have a catch or somebody tracy from the Hunamton of the acquisition so much of Wadibi. Now, and then go for one sort of them. Ye boy and some bomb pioneer to your pan. Over whom said your Bessia bomb in some at Papa. Christo Nija Bob Pine in some proper. Anyway, Obuko Shefe. You are somebody you never be who I'm sorry more. I thought for more sorry. 9 FM. I am the fool of the Cassia. Yes, you said, oh, Gidia, Kabaka, actually before you say. One Casabon, actually before you say. Now, what you say, oh, be our own, you're careful. Asofo bi no ma ba mu take sane ma we no mu ko hwehwe sinia hodo bi a na samanfo bi ye bi ma bi osini no so ne ba bo no nkwa na be so follow we asofo na be present asem bi e de ato asori manim samanfo nya bi a hwa no biblical reference wo mu no wajira so de akasa yes obi ye bi ntisa na aba ti obi anya na mu bi atire you are some you musabi o ye ne be tuma kasa dia. Almost all the churches and practices have them. The Hulu Babia, as well for yes, I don't know how to call ya. What would that sense to buy lady? The Nano, a quack saying some body near day bumpire, ya no dear. Ya can send me as a dear pet. Will be quite kind of looking, not in 7 hours or more. Where fever? Tis some movie or I thought for most so on sorry. The Bible can Bible to know among what was of Nimu. Tell me was a PM pride to the pop. To the Matthew chapter 6, verse 9. Yes, it's a move on by a monka say, Monka, Eka, Okafa. Monka say, Yenet also, no Tracy Yajabi was so, the son of an empire, or Tracy anti empire, say, a west. You're clapping. If I don't go to the full ways, what would you be so? What for the area? Munches of for entrance into the phone. So I'm not about reference in the dress. and then I call normal will be a yajatum. Make our own so open pants and found, but a man for the woman in it. Ecosystem and only prayer. To me, obey for ya pay, said the bomb in some vampire, a jabbing colossal. Now, when Salomon is jadi free call, I want no, I want moon. Ya bondo do mo hede mayi. Tro me am ta ka kira man fo so nya sa wote sa man fo bi bon twene won kwanche bia no akowura ho. Asori a wo ko be very careful. Ya se mi. Ka ti Israel fo no e ko kena sa so. Ya ko pon ye senture ni bebre. Na bebre ma mutatie. Yen sama ya kanu han. Senture ni bebre no basa 10 to 12 miracles, different miracles. And then you go for you. Senture ni bebre no you go for you. Kurukwa timanyi Israel for free parents. Jesus senture ni wo dwa bi moja wom. The person be catch us for obi to bra no nsem hu fa so bi ani so. Enye okra enfiri na kamfo nsem. Ya sabi the swashment anasa brabaji anoite ho yire ni nsuo brabaji yare wa buram ade sa na mu ne mahunu no fa so ni so. Enye okra o ta se na kan. Na go for the guy from Exodus chapter 3. So the Bible see Exodus chapter 11. And the training pastor. Sanchani bia sofo bi bia ya mamo. Ya Yesu moja ajen sakra. Jai boniye, jai brake, jai tro, jai yiseyigu, jai wo ukuna utimi bia wa no sese na kwasia kasa tiano. Obaba sia pa ugina ho. Wo se ukuna so. Kensa pa u bia so tire hukum. Ti asami yo, mu be man wa ikurao. Se so for bi ko o di man pempon tro sa. Se so bam poni no nya. Wa kasa drabone am wan two am free bone ho a. Miracle bi o de be ma u bi aye fake. O so ni so. 90. To have a New Testament. I don't for by Yesu ncha be pension kirani a. Wo bi ka di Yesu di. Yesu ta ka kire mo ugidi ade won kwa. Waje madi enti ade won kwa. Waje madi enti ade won kwa. Acha se na se. La go for the proof from Old Testament. The second name maro titru oba kusumpiri wo to we so. Am ye the bed to apart wo to. Oba ti wo ye normal dey obi ku obi ire. Obi ire o miracles. Wo essentially bo so de modi fo na ban anyo kwa ben fo na de sound anyo what you say adogo na yehwe bu so na famfa so bi amra na ko po ye essentially we nyina wi no se ya be be ye essentially twato obi ankum dai obi ala papa I'm telling you the fact. So goma bi anu ama wa bra bobu a sentere be be ba wo ye entimi nyi wo mfiri wo tamfo ne bayifo ne nsam da tisa fo du kumta no do mo moja e penti o mapunya Exodus chapter 12 ya ka ni na esa ko 13 foko 14 so after the moja ogoma bi moja sentere di no nyankopon ye energy Israel fo eno de esi wo mabra bobo a Pharaoh yes obeko so chase Israel for na gopo kasa trap obia pum ka watamfu gu ma. So the only miracle ya betima you are tamfu free wachi a miracle of salvation. I am sanctuary you job people ta yes so mewu amawa according to John chapter 1 verse 29 Yohane suboni the pointer of Christ. Pointing try, yes, is trying to say, way, or Yankupo dying. Ya will you as a bonnet come. Only 0.9 FM. What you say? What's the New Testament to them? What does Yankupo dying? I will you need to free Pharaoh and 7 years. But do be trust, we do be serious in this one. tira mpesa me lenke sa ho no kiro wo so Nyankopon dwan na wo yi wiase bone krom oni ti dwan na wo yi Israel for free Misrim ya Pharaoh antiman chesi o mbie mu a pokokon pi na num mene wo bon sai dwan na Christ ti so for bi antiman point wa ma Christ wantiman ni Yesu ho dan shancho ama mama wo super mponi papa apata si wi no anyai no se ko so wi nsan etware kakra na Yesu Nyankopon be yen sentrene ma oboa ya sabu yis won sakrai o be miracles wona so tibonim se Pharaoh nsam sentrene hiyo ya wo se Nyankopon ye ma wo ye dikan ani sentrene ya ugoma bi moja wo mu wo sa no ho a we sentrene bi afiri Nyankopon won fiu ya sabu yis nubiri ana bi beche mu Nyankopon dim Yesu amoni bi ha be baba dodo Yesu Matthew chapter 15 ho moni bi ha baba Yesu se aduane ya de ma man yemfa man kana mamba ompe adin sakra e kwa ya wodo yire fa so oba Nyankopon no prepare according to Genesis chapter 2 verse 18 to 22 do so Nyankopon no anwene wo ba no de na bre wo no Nyankopon ejapade bia de jaw sa wu yusu bi e kwa ya do ba ne fa so na wu di ni ba ba we Nyankopon be ensent ne ma o lo teni ma bia so che treatment pa wo do yire e fa so wa se wu ya ko ho mama ni pa bi on chance na wo yire de wo bu gada ne ba bi wa o sa ba ga sa no obi de ya kanya ode na sabe wo adwene ni bi to ye odi titi obi a boy careful cause we ade ma spell da no so sakra 99.8 FM Jesus for the starting point of their journey oba control ba bi e sha ase de omo ko fa omo bo se oba sum bi asase a dore wo enu nufusu se de Nyankopon asem frɛ no asumdwe wo so pa wo starting point eye moja bi ugwama bi moja bi na ji wo that is obi be ko le bo sha asase so bi be ko ni nsira asase so bi be di ye Nyankopon mu a obe ya ha bi akọ asa trans asifo ama no ho tobo a Yesu moja no ugwama no moja no asenu ya no so no owu a Yesu wu ya no se di pare fa Yesu se de kra na je nkwa no di tum no type on bi a chudie wo sa ti so be follow Yesu na mo tu no what can we free bone ho ko for the bone onam kwa bone so asesa no do ma de koma ho mo e ho the starting point di panu shira asase no afa no asha ase a okofa o ti ase afa no started ya okofa nti so won so Yesu mo da ni nya adwuma won sakra wadwene ya won nya nse Nyankopon shira ase wo da so se Pharaoh nsem fa wo ye so ye president so ye minister so ye chairman konti here na o here wonimu Yesu so kra no ade nkwa what does it say bonsam you are under the manipulations of demons and the powers of darkness what you say brebi bedru baba so Nyankopon wa po ahemfunu bi no ma wie ye kojem na meba ha na ma ka ho asem what you say Numbers chapter 33 the time Israel forces so mo kon Nyankopon ka tro mo se enkofo bi tema sa asere so the sound of for muntu omo mun kumu omo free so na mo mfa masase mun kumu omo free ho na mo mfa masase ma di ka tro se be traced from the Old Testament but the fi honam na me de ko sunsu macha the Numbers chapter 33 the verse 50 also the word ka tro Moses mo abom papre so Jordan efa ya ebe yari ko no sai kasatira Israel fo no na katira obo sai se bu Jordan ekoke na asase so a jenio e de bom pam asase no so tefo enyina free monim na mo sai wo mabo ahoni enyina na wo ba honi a wo buo no mo sai ni na ya sami yo o se na mo sa o mo so me a enyina o se mo nsai ndi o hwe ya na mere so be ka so obi to asa so na wo ko se no e kire wa de bi verse 23 o se na mo fa asase no entwena so na mo ana me di asase no mama mo se mo ni so mo ana me di asase no mama mo se mo ni so yanko first Samuel jeniyo itresi odi abesi aseni so First Samuel chapter 15 Samuel mo be kan ti dunu nemre no so hunu the picture ye ne yanko purpose of church First Samuel chapter 15 verse 2 and 3 First Samuel mo be kan ti dunu ntemu mienu ene miensa was Sana asafo Awurade ahye bahunu di Amalek eye Israel sadi ofri Misrim eba no wo betware wo mkwan ofri Misrim ekokena akofo mo bosha asase no wo betware wo mkwan Amalek fo no eye krobi ya omutum krobi di Amalek wo mamugum di e from Amalek fo wo betware Israel fo kwan tie obo pese obo tata Israel for obo pese Israel for be ko ombo asase so obo pese Israel for be ko mahiniam obo pese Israel for be diye wa brabom te santo fo nyina obo firi Misrim faro nsemo mo jama ti obo firi faro nsem abo mo nan kwado so ko ombo asase so afere Amalek fo sore ya obo so kantai ya ma no kwa ma mo nko ye be simu kwan mo se mo obo asase bi egamonim ye ma mo nko fa ni so da ye be mo bra di Amalek fo na yesa nje fe Israel fo ya asase ni wie he no ade na Yakobon ka kire King Saul the first king of Israel na Yakobon ka kire King Saul se enam di Amalek fo eye Israel fo e okwa mu nti se wo mo verse 3 wo se da fe ko na ko kum Amalek na mo sadi o nyina pasa na enhu wo mo bo na kum emerema ene ma emofra ene nkukwa adanfie ene nyan yoma ene mfumu kwedi Yakobon ka kire Saul na wo pese Saul destroy everything sai bibi afri Amalek efri wo mo hene so ekosi mwampo ya okro no no destroy everything sango foi ene si Israel fo kwai no mo person be di o mo bo sasa so ti asem yi e di o be si sunsun ma kira wade enemre yani ebre yi so ye bo sasa se Yakobon say so wade ma ye any heaven John chapter 14 also na we Old Testament na we honam ni di no ni ye connect de ne Yakobon person che e de ma ye nchire mai na wanye mistake anko kun wo bi woni kuro so sabe ko fana ta se o be na aburu ba bi e kotu e dia support de wo ye no what else here ko bi kotu ba bo no anyhow wo be na ba bi e kotu e dia support o boni e wo diem eso bi busa se sabe na Yakobon person che wo de tra dia ye nkai bi ato wa kire wa dia bi ti do bi ya me kinka ba bo no kire wa na me kanam sam kire wa me si Yakobon sam no ho o kasa kire nyansafo wo jimi ya won tiaso o ta sam na se wo ni mu nyansa wa mie wa ni ya won tiaso da nti kana sa se no wo si yan konko fa no enne hefa enye kana bia ma wo si ko tu Syria fo ko tu kana fo akotu Jebusi fo ni Gigazi fo ni Heti fo akopamu wa mafiri o ma sa so no yedu obi ani ntokwa John chapter 14 verse 1 kosi 6 Yesu se ya mo mama ko mantutu mo ni Yakobon na miso mo nyimi ni travel pi o ma ja fie sanje san ka maka cham se me ko siesie ba bia mamo na me ko lem ko siesie ba bi mamo me sa ba biom na ma be fa mo akom ya me ntwan your promised land is the heaven your bossa sin namre yo nya sa si so ha samo o ko travel o jira na njira se wa duro bossa sa so tienie ya man fo bi dia tro ko fo nkata ebinim timi ware fu bi tini ko fa no nua be ma wose ni kunu ana meyere no mo de aya ware niema bi o twatro e de akofa burochire na wonya burochire mi America Kosovo London UK wonya opportunity no do heaven wodi mu penya me be ni power asaso e so nka be fanya nsa I'm telling you what o ditro e de paja pade na kwa di sabutia do no ba ko titemu nwotwa wodi sa trufo nyina ko bu nsam dem. Do you know that? What for the for purpose? Now the year Juma. What will be a faso? Now the assisi adan. What brewa hapapa? You are some year. Sha. So the verse 17:11 or kind. Was it your opa dienya? Your opa warrior dienya. Your all purpose should be NDC, MPP, CPP, PPP. Wow, the all purpose should be enya. No one yan quantity clean this one. What pakwan papa so? And the yard, no cool ni pa or the far post. No cool ni pa son or the MC,
9 FM.
No quapo some to no, and son or the baby. Whatever composition or the one yam. Whatever what is so my for, more than you will be cool. The all part near Bianya. The all part near Bianya. The all basic Kabianya, no only Pablo Jasso. And to do for their comfort, Sakalaso, or Dianya. What is Sunny Pano? What is that Cocohedia? What is that poor complete? A Cocohedia, or any pong where I'm poor. Tinyakopo connected. Obi a onam kwambone so apabibi e wasaso eso wode ne tutu aboa ho sunsun mu ne ma be very careful na ogina bia na yekan for the nyame asabaka de opa de anya ne wa yan kwantene ne so wo te sa kokko hwedi a obutu nkosua anya ono na to yeso bere bia sa se mo bitaka te sa aboa kokko hwedi obutu nkosua bi so nkosua de nyane bia se ye nan kan nkosua say ya chere binin kosua say ya premere kosua say ya bobo ni bi kosua wode wode ne buabu tu so wanya obi kunu obutu no so wo mmobbo obehu wa wie ya wode ya wi asano ya busu ya pade cherie Yankopon na bom what the secrets in the world person tinema ho joa to ho firi bone ho fa yesu simple what is that's some good body for Isaiah chapter 48 verse 22 was it there is no peace for the wicked says the Lord. Some good body for the different to from mobile say ma we te drama mum pa be ni pa ho ya o ti jira so of mama just up the way to house of mama yan kan ko re di pa this table ti ya ni say ya le ho ya man for you. What does my color say? Yami, who ya mouth for you? You better get 9.9 FM. Nippon super ponya or tuno. Yanka. Yes, so because we took collection, sorry. To be bought for the sorry. One time for me, friend from a butcher. But also, you could do the pepper, and the Juma. The Sada Juma, my Yajima can say, Pamanes Cababre. Na me pesa me de ho ntutu so dudu e be bo asore na me se forward e akobifo mo ni sika we me de kwai o ja sam na se ti asam yo forward e so one sakira watching na sa wona kwamboni no so na de afogire certificate bi na de pesika ho pa de agu wa one sakira watchu be hu awie pa to Jeremiah 17:11 was right. The opa de anya na wanya no kwantene ne so wanya no kwampapa so wan fa wu ade kwan so e de nyaa no ade ne ntini mo bo ne ma ni na wa hasabri babo se sani pa wot sa boa wot sa kokko hwedia obutu nkosua enyo na to yeso nkosua no bia ye nkosua boni o premira na nanka chele be nkosua ana kokko hwedia wakobutu so price sie ya wo bowura wo bo ho wakoma ye beti ni se tin na de sue nyansa ti le nipa bi wu wo fo basa ye ntia se ona ma no atwa he nkosua bi atofo bi butu so anya obodia enti pan bi o makoma wo de wudi mu wiase we se de situa te de sakio hedin Luke chapter 15 sakio hedin was a Luke chapter 19 was a rade Luke chapter 19 was a rade be na mon konto mpo so ma jo bi bibia le bo ho mprenai ni tua ni bakroka ni mpasan sakio mpasan no obo ampaso kare no no obo ho mprenai odi tua sai ni panaka obi amagina de ti se bi MC na me na mon konto mpo so diaba isika get out be chebutu se bi asida o me kuro no a bo ho mprenai ni ko tia baika mpasama sanko sua na wasesa gu obo air condition car na watwa wa wunu se sika de to enya odia e be cool akọ na be hu awie ye de lokore ne ye ka trompa no afa nko sua ne ye odia o wunu de se nko sua nu na wunu de otubu ho ko sua de pai wo de obutu so wunu so nya bibi papa butu so papa ubutu obe yire so wunu se wo na wo fa no wade mo nyan sawate ka oba na ko butu so e yo ira dia samni yo nguda wonni mu ya senti wako dede obi ira ko fa no obi sunu oba bi atra mfie bese onta obi ka tira sidabre mfie bese edunum ni be ma no nya oba no ho abi we no asa oba na ewo mpena pa ma twempena pa 15 good years are no ba nso di eche sa se jobi no nso di eche o dia ewu pa asante fama mre mu mpo se beba fa ba wa nya no ho de na so ba no wu a asana be si ya wa sa wo ye oba na yiye ma wo ye funu no ho de sante fom pom pensamfo ote man for the tsasu ban fu e tin soro dem e be ya elders be ya decades na urade beba ede bota won so chara opado afa o aso a no afa oni aso akọ ye international koko ni pa design ko ni pa jina mana no listen check obeto bu so mjema ko sei ye so ba ni de biem so chire ni pa ni etai ti ba bi ani e pa ya boye urade hu di pa mo bo so dum se de si do kra so de nyankopɔ si do wi asini ene so di Yesu ma ho ene so di Yesu ma ho se di Yesu si do ni si di Yesu ma ho di ama ha me testa ya me chano te ho ya me chano to namba Yesu na ya dire ma ho e ya sai so se odo bi ani ho chesa
9 FM
so ko to bu nsam jem ne so bi fo so se wona mo mpai bo so wona ma konchire so diro bi etimi pom mpai ana bi da su ma wona da ne mfifiri ni su sansa ye bom pai ma manfo se jaba nkwabe yi a kire no ewade hu ni pambo ne ni panya ni o mo kra nkwa na o tapeta se baase yeso dia konche bom pai ma odoka sise to be hu sa ko to bu nsam je mo wona msunsu mu kwa bi asesa woni nyame asam empai bo awie kire nsam entwansa ebe ma o sa de be yo ba peja o ba tabu free bu nsam je dum no what was to heaven odo be ne chest adowi obi sia bo sai na wa na ko to bu nsam je mo ene ye odo wo da dachi na be te odo ayede wo mo na yede wo ma mo na se sa gagana ha sa ma fo ni nsade we ya ko bo be share number 1 nsie mfie ewade be ba ya so ni to so bi a opa di anya ni wa nya no kwantene ne so Jeremiah 17:11 what is that ko hidia wo butu ko sua enya ono ena to yeso the sabi palo obebu ni nkomu fa aja obewu ewu bi enipa ntiase obebu ni nkomu fa aja o na na wiye yamu no obeda na obeye kwasra Jeremiah 17:11 ne kai to ya de o ya say careful ya say me First Samuel chapter 15. Yankopon kachira so. Famala ke fo no butaka Israel fo no. Wo bon person be ko boss asaso. Yeah. Ken asaso no se wo mo. Enne. Ya hwe de Bible no kan ye na ye bere isu. Material ye Canaan asase a yakoso. Enya asase so Canaan na heaven. Yesu na ahye bo. Na kwa kosiesie amamo abefama ko. Yankopon ma ebe ko heaven da ko. And there was a tease. O nkwa o de ka ha. Lazarus wuye no abofo beso anoko Abraham kukum. What I said, you baby call that into your careful life. That's as you want corner beka. Oh, as I see, I will cost. I dear sir, dear saying, I was a wound in the I dear sir, dear saying, I was a wound. Wow. When I say some million, who need who did call? Who come by Bill? I felt the baby. Now I saw a year 3 years away. Yes, some of you. Now I saw a year. That is death. A woman. Job was in the little Amuslim. Ewo baba mo ayira afi asase we so na wo ko pie wi ase fufuru na ho ko pie ho a me ho asem na me ka ho be bia me ka nya o president no minister asem na me ka nya o titles no abodi ekuta ho nya o certificates and o managing director ne coordinating ho na me ka ato nchan wu abekọ he ya sabi yo bi buso asem ba ko papa so wu a woni ka buso abekọ he na o certificates na o pae no I said, what did you do in Konya? They brow, yeah, they blow. Chairs upon chairs, thrones upon thrones. Who are the cotton? I don't have the idea, no. Yeah, we don't preach prosperities. But I be but in Kuto, some fools say, I never can was a man. And Kutodia and the Babel. Who could that man's on Kutodio? We 5 cities have been Kutato. Baje bula musu na baje wa na yo da branfam peteoso ensem hu wona kwaje saka wa fa yeye wa sasu yesu wu abekọ he wu achi o e ho ne fin satin wo o kontie na ha yesai abi oso abro so abi oke enso ye ne ebere su mponnuru because they calculate years ya 969 years, the highest years in the Bible. 969. Nani pabo ne koso, eba Yankopon hwe nipa konfie, eba ko 120. We are from 969 to 120. Refiri go Yankopon hwe boni nti. O shasa ni pasa fedia, David hunu obire. O himpom ya ko foto wo hwe mato. Te wa wara taso. Na nano na yiri no mianu miensa na inu hia o se Solomon ye bi on kai na wiye ya on kai Solomon ye ko wiye no ntodo so wa ta so David obi gare ko fe oba no 2 Samuel 11 chapter 12 David called on no ko fa afa hemfo bunya man fanko fo yiri no go pose ya menkwa entani pamun kusida be twamfie no so bode koso sa Genesis chapter 6 le bone koso ya go pose afa ni pankwa mfie no abato 120 na Moses David no poni bi e kokoso afa Psalm 90 ya go pose me hwa mfie no so ma keso from 120 years e bi abato 70 aburo so kwa na mama 80 e free 80 ne kono enye usisi tena wo se la de se wo donku ade aba se wo kon na me da me na na bibi ba cheme e hawo ne ma ne ko akoso bewuo but tim fie so now from 969 years that's 120 and from 120 to 70 from David no tano ene boni ko na tete bawo afa cheke boni e wadi se ne boni e wadi ba ku bia nyanko 45 years we are calling for 5 years. What you please? Calling 5 years. What you please? Ukoya outside the Sakawa 5 years. What you please? Take a bonny good woody. What boy you paying 5 years? What you please? What through Kurecha for them for 5 years? Check a bonny what do you know? Tifri 70 years. Ubo say 120 no, and 60 no, and 70 no. Would you baby ah? Kabraka about 20 years penwu. To say the upper the area. No one yana kwantene in this one. What is that cocohidi and Bocohidi? What was your button cosia on the Toyaso? No, but couldn't come for Aja. And I'm the born into new conceal, or but jump too. Ha! No, Nipa 20-35 years, no. The American fabricated story, American story. A man to me. Sure. Me couldn't come for Aja. Was in a real or bear quassia. Quassia, some of the pure over to. Or say a real who could trouble some gem who we are. Now that thing quassia, some nothing. To the Yabat Casatron. So be very careful in life this time round. Rather. Your boss assassin. And heaven. And it came to be him. Akoya sunsubu teteno na ne makoya honam David ni Goliath ko a giant pia no mo de ko Israel for ko a pia sekai no mo de ko emma be tire but the ne ultimi go fa tire say ya kwa sorry say the asofo bi ye no mo fa do mire bi yenko ye ko hwe atamfo onye enku asesem fa so bi ani so wo di do mire ko hwe atamfo de bi asesa abo maybe I fat you tire. You come on to pay. 2 Corinthians 10. Or say, I couldn't have no money there. That deal on your good point said, you piacasi. Ya Kodiano and your money dear. Yet you are in Sakana ma, a tire. The Kausa near Master. Who do you mean in Old Testament and someone call having? Get here. Old Testament in Kuano. What do you mean in a shop? Say yes, soon in the Old Testament and call having to you. Colossians chapter 2 verse 16. Was not a name of Baban Sunsun Qua, 20 minutes Sunsun Qua heaven. Romans chapter 7 verse 6. Was enough see a woman the history minty. Was Sunday a film Ramo. I'll be a son home for you, the natural that I am. Not about us. It's a Old Testament now, there's someone who could come down and for about years. Namon Senior Bonfire, Gominami, Sanyabos. A sincere CNN, Jim the Master if you honor, will be Kawa Canibi, so let's make Kawabi, will be a Kanaba Canibi, Nabe P. area. To Matthew 5, yes, is a map to say for the same. Do young Gunata Tamfo. Now maybe I may say, Mono Matamfo, Momon Payama Obama Tamo, no more Hamo. So now Christopher Jinas or them one. Ya Tamfona Koya Mamma Papa will be Ankasaya who you, and I will be a Bonibia. No, I bet you say I see a time for no tomorrow. Near Bompire Tia, the same Kupun Kuno, when I own your Kankushia, a Bena Kanawari and say, in classes some part. And you will never hear. No, I remember my son also. Don't call Tansa will already be a Kwamami and a bus. The Yanni assassin, your physical land, a heaven. Yes, so could see your mind. Enti woko sisi have the amayem ye ne ye brevision why do you kunu no because am go for catch so say obu kum amalekefo ado sa catch Moses Joshua no ne Moses no say obu tu sa no atamfo no free Canaan asase no so obu say obu pasa wo ma dum no ma so me ya no ne wo ne ma mo sa no enti namre so dia ba ne enkonko say no because we have to destroy something. I was saying, say, baby, tell what to me, heaven. I was saying, to baby, and tell what heaven. I was saying, come near me, and tell what heaven. And the never the young Kuno, the never the young Sano, and tell you to me, Yanni was Assasia, and you have the answer. Young Colossians 3. Babu will be much ever. Colossians from the Tinians. The assembly. Colossians from man, then we have creation. The other young Kuno, the other young Sano, and Sana, yet to make you heaven, your boss assassination. Canada was on one side, Canada for one side, Syria for Malaka for Munkumo, number from Assassin. Fine. Yanni Abel is a Sayano Coso, a Coso to us. The Yanni Abel is the young Sano. Colossians from Matimians. The other young Kuno, the other young Sano, and Sonny a group of Sassasia, a heaven also. Colossians from Matimians and Timunu. Paul saying Timunkum Aqua, a was as a swamp. Aquaben. Dear Ben was as a young Kuno. I don't ever to ask for a Jamamo, a Fidia, a corner Saswa, a corner Bonnie, and any Berry, Yabos, Yenum, and a dinner couple before Ba. Said a cane of one dinner couple before Ba. A Nembreno, Santo Foya Mibubo Mudino, ana di nyankopon bufuo ba enti so obi twempana o twe nyame abufuo bo sha asase won koso bi awasa wo san pana twen sai kana ni no sai amala tweni no enti sai wodwa mamon na mire when sa wa tiade na mpesa me kana so to possess heaven so promised land now we come antichrist and the shell life for dear and you say jamamon oba wo twempro bo jaman kada wa yo ni padi adem ho ti asami yo asa wa wo hwe ho wa ka sa wa ahwedum no wo so you look sexy as a jaman ho ho betena wu kwa aposo wa ye wono oputo wa sani ma bia ma wo hips no ai se Coca-Cola toan wa ta so ahohu ha asaba ba da bio wa powa pa pam wa ta bia yi onu fusu bu abontan de wa ya ho ko nyina se so ye jaman for complete bla 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 da kano obi abontan no na wo siesie na kire se de osutie Bible says, "Bunkum jamamon, a jamamwa, jamamon, to jamamon through." There's a carbon cost for Yama so far on Payamon. So, to 2 by year, or to 2 Sunday Mana, but you can tell your mind answer. Because I go forward after a boss after us. I go forward, after us, we'll see that what you want to What's that Jaman into them? Maybe I didn't know. What number so far so bomb pie said, and we are them worry, but a Jaman into Adam said, Jaman is so no. Our any year I'm telling you. Into one to them free one kuma gamano, one you then free or come more. Wouldn't mean your boss as a son tramp or home town. Lasami. When your mamma and I are summer. What I say? The way when you actually so you got my money bar. Bema Cabrani one number. No won't be to say I chew to Festa. Nasamu Damo, Casat Bodam ni kan no ro no wo so wie university pa we o nyanya mo o dibre kutawo wo ni na bontin ya bossa so nyina gba bontan wo ye normal person here ye jaman da be wura mu no ana wo ye gay tumu na di mboa so di ma wo no no so sano for se jaman mo nkum sa kwa no afidie yo abayi sabno no bayi fo bia na num kasa nye papa ta babu ba tam no mama ne tam no ya so na ka me che demonology kakra bia ka ba se fi ho ho no wo ba num nsam amen ko kakra me ko kakra obom kuta sa e fi ho ho no to asam ni yo ke ba ko asampa Odia, Mamenko, Lucas and Pa. Is that a child? A few home, better was so be Ekuta, a few home, no clean spirit. Better Luke chapter 4, verse 33 and 34. Luke chapter 4, verse 33 and 34. A few home, what was Subani saying? Luke chapter 4, verse 33, me present a child of demonology. So will be a few who more. The cast mu di behu. When you are friend now, Papa Humpire, acquire who are country. Babu to clear. Luke chapter 4, verse 31 down. Was it about the Galeria Cobia or a Capernaum? You said, or Bab Galeria Cobia friend Capernaum. Now, Nencha Channel, I want a hoodie, if you say, none of 7 1 doing to you. No, the puppy, I will share them or money, a fee home. A fee home. No, the neck has yet Tiamusa. And the high. And then the other Nazareth years a warrior. Over some of the Sayana. Minimuni Paco. Or Yanko only concoming. Dear, the Bible says, verse 35. Yes, dear Tiano. Sepuano. The freedom of call. Dear. Craft, I'm in trouble. Oban Kuta is few home. What would you say? We are yes. We are Yanko concon. There's some Becca said, Tiao. Obu Mua dear. Obanum kasa ye fi tan. Pesa de o si tia Yesu. Ti obi wisu obi anum kasa taisa. O possess the unclean spirit. Wonim se o Yesu, maame no wonim se di kunu ne ya o high level. O level no rank ne wo so. Na so obie na no akyerewa, obie kyerɛ se se de o kasa kyerɛ akola. O hum fi wo mu. Sa de we na Bible so bu sa no. Ha. Ti asɛm yi. Ba mo bo so yi. Ya kasa me code demonology wa be beleti. Ebe be so. O de e be ba so. Colossians 4:10. Any for the Bible see in Kumu or Monsani and Yakena Sassano. Any for the Bible see and say, Omo Hebrew, and Sani and Yahemiako, or said Jamamo, a few years, a corner sasso, will be no Akofaneba. What time it just send you YouTube? Papa, you movie pa. Said I'm a tail, no, I will YouTube also. You saw a cat kiss.
99.
You are something here. This time, what's already a four? You don't do. But I saw you see a papa, the new policy bomb from. When Catkis was sorry, Cactus, they were YouTube with the CIA. You are something. I call out when you say yes. Not Catkis or Facolado. But Facolado is out when you're 80 years. Come no such war. The unity hall. President Bobby Van Kramen said to move na gossip. I call no such war. Come to Tim Party, sorry. What is so devil pulling some papa no bompire? What more was it? Was it Kumsalma Kwam? Salum soon feed a 2 more pony Susuno. And they see quite Emma Unia wash assassin. And never Unia war papa. What I say, Rosuban to the Okudio. What I say before they are. Never before. Sadiana Babos is Sam. No one Sam and they are son. One of the Belandi baby much around here. Was a corner sasso, and a corner pony. Yasam a corner sasso, a shadow to other Bema Cabrane, or Frocraman, a big in the Preco. Oh, bloody. And maybe, listeners, a bit of bunch was a silver bunch, not the owners. Bloody. A corner sasso, any a corner, a no biswa, no, they could be bonny, and any a corner bonny. Ede ni berebere ya abosonsom obi anya de woni bere bosom na wosom enne bosom no nya so akofa bo ede esi ho nko awo ana wakọ bosom so nko awo woni berebere obi ade ti bosom na aten we na sawo ya sabni yo when the pregnant to esi kwaza o kena sa so nkoso ti de Yesu kan John chapter 5 verse 14 baba bia Yesu sa na yare sen ko fo yiru mu nti ana obubu agu subura Yesu sa na yare pe John chapter 5 verse 14 ho. Apani ya ya sa pe verse 14 ho. Na be tie no sia Yesu asori fi. Yesu so ho ya den. Papa se ana. O se nkoye boni bi na de che se ya me yo. Boni na etwe ha no brewo. Boni na ma wunya so wiem. Boni na ma wunuru ke na asase no so no. Boni na ma ema ho nto wa wonam mpa bo so nya so fo so a. Wo tie mu. Boni no no. Tini Yesu ba isa me be se boni na fi abra bo mama. O ti asana so. The 1 Corinthians chapter 6 verse 9 enko was it munim say one no enko heaven ho what asas no dia man ya heaven no ya dia breyiso no munim say one no enko odi nyamanfo ni ntumumfo mema ne mema da lesbians kowinsafo abosonsonfo kabirechirafo ni akonfo ahimfo tunro wa kawo nyina fra ho to heaven they will never make it. So one sakra omeka akotobo nsomje. Ti asemi boni na esi kwani. Ti asemi yo. Edi namre no Yesu bai. Ko fenzon. Ke beto chapter 21. Wo so bai. So be sei boni obai. O de be fedi Yesu. Efisa. Wo no ene be di ne man afi o mo boni. So the first thing ya Yesu ye e wo ni pa brabom. Ene so be di na fini boni. Maame so betima ja wo kra no ni pa bia ma Yesu so Yesu suba se mu na mete ya sori asem na me ka o be kwa sori wa ya de ba ye ka konkro ye ya sori ko na do be ko heaven e your life ya sabi so be ja wo life ma Yesu se Yesu se na ko na ye me ni obi ya ka me twempra saa no bɔne na wobobo so a wo se no na esi e kwan wo se ense no awurade ni wo mu bi tifambɔ no kyɛ no de bɛkyɛw. First John 3 verse 8 was so waiting on Yankopɔn ba de bɛyi ne ho adi sɛ ɔbɛsɛe bo nsɛm nnwuma yɛasɛm no yie sɛ wo se wo ntu bɔne ne mfiri abrabɔ mu a amenka wo nkyerɛ na memmɔ mpae ma wo yɛasɛm no yie sɛ wo se wo ntu bɔne no ase a hwɛ Numbers chapter 33 numeri sɛ bɔne no wo se wo ntu ase a na wawieyɛ yɛasɛm a ɛkɔfa abrɛ wɔ Numbers 33
FM.
Numbers chapter 33 verse 50 so verse 55 was in a say mom pamo asasire so tefo no amfiri monimu a ene wo mu emu tio ene wo mu ano mo beye wo mo beja wo de mo beja wo mu bia beja wo mo no wo mo bedane mo aniwa mu enkase ene mo mfimu enu nsini na mo be hihia mo ho asase a mo te so no so te sa wo so ntu bɔne ni mfiri mu na wo nya wo ho ma awurade Yesu nye wo bɔne no nkɔ ma wo de a ɛde wo ho bɛ kɔ so akyerɛw ɛwɔ asase wo so na akowie wo nsam gye kora wo ho atefa ho sie na bɔne ni nti awansana bɛ kɔ so ahaw sɛ toilet ni wo ho a wo na ma yɛ clean wansana bi ahaw sa de fi wo ho a wansana bɛ twisi de kamfo Yesu na wate wo no ne Yankopɔn ba wo yi na bɛ wi asasa wo yi sa bɔne ni mfiri mu sɛ wo ho de ntimi a apata so ntimi nya awie kromo ntimi nya abo ayaka ntimi nya awansa ye wo da so tim wo da so ti abosom atrom akabansam ne masturbation wo da so tim abosom sam ne damansam wo da so tim wo mu ade ntokom na wote sɛ wo ntimi nya abo no ya ko Yesu ani sɛ Yesu me sraw sɛ wo suku no so sɛ sia ya wo do bɔne be kyɛw wo yiwa firi bo nsam wo nya nkwaje da kyɛ wo sasa no wo so tima duru so bi ukoma bi mo jabi kasa wasenu ya no so me kamfo ma wo be bi ho ama Yesu na wadane afiri bɔne mu a wo be hu mo bɔde bɔne akyɛw ma me ne wo mampae awurade be da wase dɔi mu kwaya na mu tumi no ɔdɔ ya so de wo nsama mai the slow run Yankopɔn me so bi baba wo nkyɛ ne kyɛ no ne hu no mo bɔfa ne bɔne kyɛ no me da wase sɛ utie mi wo Yesu din mu nti amen
me sha di sam no ana mo say sha ba bia nipa tu nipa go no wrong
bia
it was all you say the word Christ no odi adanse say was say some two no say
you may now subscribe.